Hello, I'm Ilan. I'm representing Door Tablet here at ISE 2020, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about Door Tablet. So Door Tablet is a meeting room and workspace management solution. Here we have an example screen of Door Tablet. Now the really cool thing about Door Tablet is that from any display you can find the availability of any other room in your organization. So let's say, for example, this room is busy. Well, I can just click on Nearby. Nearby will show me an overview of all the rooms in my building as I group them by room, by floor or by building, and I can even book a different room from any display. So I just want to find a room right away. Let's pick up Desert, okay, and I can just say I'm going to take it for half an hour. I've reserved the room. I can scan my card if I'm using an RFID card, or in this case I don't need one, and I've booked the room, and that's my room. And now we'll take a look at the single room display. So these can be completely customized. There's a help button if you'd like some issue inside the room, if the cleanliness is a problem or a computer problem, IT. This will send an automated message to whichever business unit in your organization needs to get that message, and they'll know right away which room, what the problem is, and if you like, you can even put in your name and details, or you can completely keep it anonymized. All right. We have motion sensors as well. This is now in an active state because there are people here. The motion sensor is picking up that we're in this room. And so, if you'd like to know more about Door Tablet, please visit our website, www.door-tablet.com. We would love to talk to you. It's a wonderful solution. Thanks again.